Hi everyone, my name is Akshay and I am the SICK Product Specialist here at EandM. As you know, most safety systems in the factory automation environment focus mainly on the factory floor, and that's where 2D safety scanners, something like NanoScan 3, is ideal because it monitors the factory floor all the time and it makes sure if someone approaches the robot or a machine, it makes the safe stop accordingly. So now let's say we have the safety scanner mounted on the factory floor. As you can see now, the safety scanner has green checkbox, which means the safety zone is free. No one is inside the safety zone. Now, if I put my hand in front of the safety scanner, it triggers an output. If I remove it, it doesn't do anything. But when I move my hand above the safety scanner, as you can see, it doesn't trigger any safety stop. Why does it happen? Because this safety scanner is only for 2D plane or a single plane, which is across the safety scanner. Something is happening above the safety scanner, it won't know. So for applications where you need something more than just a 2D plane, you want to monitor something more than just a factory floor, that's where we have a new device which comes into the picture, that is safeVisionary2. It is the same form factor as the NanoScan 3 in terms of size, but the shape is a bit different. This is our newest addition to our safety family. It's a 3D camera which works on the principle of time of flight, and it doesn't have any moving parts like 2D safety scanners. It has a protective field or protective zone range of about 4 meters, and the warning zone can go up to about 7.2 meters. It also offers two safety outputs or two OSSD pairs, unlike typical safety scanners in the market, which only offer one OSSD pair. Another thing about this camera is that you get the 3D point cloud data, so it's very useful when it comes to navigation or robotic applications. Now, talking about the safety rating of the device safety rating is PLC, which is slightly lower compared to the 2D safety scanners, which are PLD rated. So that means this camera is not a direct replacement for safety scanners in the field. So wherever we have safety scanners already implemented or installed, you can use this camera to complement the application by mounting it somewhere on top to monitor the 3D space. But very soon down the line, we'll be having the PLD variant of this camera, and then we can use it as a direct replacement. So if you have an application where you require 3D monitoring and 2D scanning is not enough, then please contact us. We can talk more about safeVisionary2. Thank you.